Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Surbhi here. So nice to see all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my subscribers who have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for motivating me and encouraging me so I can make some more art videos for you all. And thank you for the people who are viewing. So if you would like to leave some comments for me and give me a like or subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you so much once again to all of the viewers. In my last painting, I did an ocean beach wave painting which was on a round canvas panel, and it really turned out very nice. Lots of people loved it, my subscribers, my viewers, and I loved making that too. Today's painting is going to be similar painting, but it's going to be on a rectangular box canvas. So I'm going to use the same kind of color, similar colors. All the colors are going to be mixed with a 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol and water. The ocean colors will have 2 drops of silicone in them. So I plan to do my sand in one corner here, and my ocean colors will be on the other side. And I'm going to use the white, titanium white, for the swipe, so I can get those amazing cells. And all the colors will be in my description box below, so do check them out. I'm keeping my fingers crossed for this one. I hope this one turns out as amazing as my last one. So if you like it, please join me in the making of my another ocean beach painting. Let's start painting. Wow, look at the lovely ocean. I love the colors and I love the lacing and the sand. Amazing. I am so happy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now. Take care everyone.
'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you've been a bit. 'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm